Introducing the Oraimo OSV102 Stick Vacuum Cleaner, your compact cleaning companion. This versatile cleaning powerhouse offers convenience and efficiency for your cleaning tasks. The extendable tool combines aluminum alloy and plastic connectors, featuring a secure spring-loaded button for length adjustment, 320G, 30 to 54 centimeters. The floor head, 769G, includes a flexible joint and ducting hose with a plastic U-shaped reinforcement. It's designed with practical elements: a removable roller brush, rubber wheels, a transparent window for brush inspection, and velour lint strips. The main body, 821G, houses the motor, grab handle, and integrated dirt container, which cannot be replaced if damaged. The dirt container has a two-step filtration system with a washable HEPA filter and stainless steel mesh. The 369 grams battery pack has button controls, LED indicators, and a DC input for charging. It can charge within the vacuum or separately, with replacement battery packs available. The 160W motor indicates low power consumption, though suction power may not match high-powered vacuums. Suitable for quick cleaning, surface cleaning, stairs, and car interiors. It offers two modes: high, 12 minutes, and low, 24 minutes, with a 2,200 mAh battery and 4.5-hour charging time. The 62 grams dust tool and 50 grams crevice tool come with spring-loaded buttons. While lightweight for floor cleaning, it's slightly heavy for extended handheld use. The vacuum lacks a trigger for power and mode control, using a front-facing capacitive touch button instead. Accessories include a 2-in-1 brush, cutting tool, screws, wall plugs, spare HEPA filter, dust tool, crevice tool, a 13W DC power adapter, 1.3 meters cable, and a telescopic retractable tube.